Hey, what's going on, guys? Rob from Geek. In today's video, we're going to walk you through the first 14 days generating motivated seller leads for a real estate investor. Now, these results are pretty amazing considering how competitive this niche is, but we've got it dialed in, and this is rinse and repeat for us at this point. So if you're a new subscriber, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and check out the links in the description. There's a ton of free content learning how we do this, how we build these campaigns, and how you can do it too. Or if you want us to just clone this campaign, landing page, ads, keywords, everything, and roll it out to your location, we can generate real estate investor leads for you as well. And again, these are highly motivated leads. These are people who have an urgent need to sell their house and they're in distressed situations. And you'll see that in the keywords in a minute. All right, so let's get into it. First 14 days. This campaign started on Monday, September 27th. Today is October 7th. First 14 days. Let me get in here. What are we doing? Okay. All right, so we've had 391 impressions, 42 clicks, a 10.74% click-through rate. Average cost per click is $50, and I know that's extremely high, but you know that's what it costs to get these kind of leads. The total cost for the first 14 days was $2,135.60. This client is also running a budget of $375 a day, so they have a really big budget for this. Normally, most of our REI guys are around $150 a day, so this definitely helped with launching the campaign quickly. They've gotten 16 leads. Now, a lead is counted for us if it's an inbound phone call from the campaign, or if it's a full contact form submission, which is name, email, phone, address of the property, and a question that asks them if they'd like to, what's the question say? Are they interested in selling their house in the next 30 to 60 days? Yes or no? So that's the contact form. The cost per lead is $133.48, which I'm extremely happy with for real estate investing. And the conversion rate for the campaign is 38%, which I'm extremely happy with because that is a killer conversion rate for this as well. If we go into the campaign, you will see all the ad groups that are driving the leads. We have cash for houses, cash offer for my house, we buy houses, how to sell a house that needs work fast. That's a great one. I need to sell my house fast, sell my house fast. So these are all the ad groups that are driving conversions within this small time frame. Again, guys, keep in mind this is not even 30 days. This is less than half a month that this has been running, and they're already getting 16 leads in. So this is only going to expand and compound with time the longer this runs. So if we go to keywords, you'll see here all the keywords that have driven the leads. Right? So we got need to sell a house fast, we buy houses for cash, I need to sell my house fast, how to sell a house that needs work fast, get cash offer on your home. So these are all cash offer on houses. There are people who are looking for a cash offer. These are such high intent keywords. It's amazing. We buy houses for cash, cash for your house. That's a great keyword. These people essentially just want an offer. They want an offer. They're searching the internet because they want someone to just they want to unload their house for whatever reason. They got to get rid of it fast, and they want someone to make an offer. So all you got to do is answer the phone call, run the property through your process, whatever that is, and shoot them an offer. So that's the keywords. Again, this is a newer campaign, so we don't really have much data on it. That's all I really got to show you guys. If we go into the devices, you'll see we are only running cell phone traffic, mobile phones. So this is a mobile campaign. The desktop does not work well for this. That's something I should probably note. This is all mobile traffic, and it's mostly, I believe, inbound phone calls. Let's actually go take a look because I am unsure at the moment. All right, so let me write the conversion actions down for you. Phone call is somebody who clicks our ad, goes to the landing page, and calls one of the tracking numbers on the page. So that was 3 inbound phone calls. Contact form is full contact form submissions. There was 12 of those. Okay, so it is mostly contact forms. That's actually kind of funny. Usually it's reversed. It's more phone calls. But either way, I'll take either one. So 12 contact form submissions and 1 call extension lead so far. So that's what we got in a call extension lead. Sorry, I probably should have said that. Call extension lead is just a call tracking number that's attached to our Google ad that someone just clicks right on their phone and to call, and they make a call to you, whoever's running the ad. So 1 call extension call, 12 contact form submissions, and 3 phone calls from the actual landing page. So not a bad start. First 14 days, I'm happy with it. Again, if you are a real estate investor and you want to run pay-per-click to generate motivated seller leads for yourself, we can clone campaigns like this. We have dozens of these campaigns, anywhere from local level to multi-state to completely entire USA. And actually we have Canada now too. So we can cover any need that you have. Again, we just clone this, clone the landing page, the campaign, the keywords, our bidding strategies. We swap in your information and deploy this to your location and turn it on. So if that's something of interest to you, you can fill out an application link in the description below this video. Or if you want to run these campaigns yourself, you can learn for sure. I have dozens and actually hundreds of free training videos on our channel, ClickSeek. I think there's like 700 videos on there right now. And just search by playlist, go to real estate investing, I think is the playlist name. And there's dozens of videos on how to build these campaigns for yourself if you want to do that. All right, guys, I'll see you tomorrow.